Hello, hi, this is Peng Fei. This video is going to show you how to set up your PowerLee system email. And that's very simple. First, you just go to log into your PowerLee system like I did. And you'll see your PowerLee system main page. And you see the green button, that means the program you purchased. The red button, that's the program you did not purchase. I purchased just up to this point because I just using the basic email and the creating the landing page and for me, and I didn't actually log into additional the product training courses. And I recommend you at least to have this level with gold membership, because in that case you can using all the function of PowerLee system, plus you'll be able to have the share code to starting with your own sales funnel. The first thing you gotta do is go to email and choose the automatic marketing message, and then you just click that and you'll be able to see this page. And all you have to do is, well, this is all the holidays there by default, and you can choose all the different the group that you want to send those email. And you can see I have many different group because I have a different product promote and different tracking the different paid traffic. So I have a multiple group. Without modify the model date, you can create new events. In a new event, you just need to type. So basically, it's like broadcasting, and Aweber just need to type the event. For example, I type the event is you can say okay. So this is just an event, and you're gonna send this message, and you can say today is 3rd, 4th, 5th, and say 5th, and you want to actually, how often do you want to send the message to your occur? That is just really one times, so do not repeat, and just click submit. So once you do that, let me actually do something because I don't want to send ones, it's just do something in the past, so they will not actually send. Once you do that, you'll be able to create an event, and they will send in that day. So you can see this is the one I just create. How to increase your conversion rate. Okay, I create this one. Okay, so this is auto response. You can send all different group. I was choosing all group, or you can actually just select the special group that you want to actually make connect. But here's the key. You can actually start in your campaign, but this is just one, right? But you can choose to have a sequence of campaign, and this is all written for you in the PowerLee system. If you want to promote PowerLee system, if you want to promote other product, you can actually get the share code, and I will show you in different video. And so, for example, this one it will be a PowerLee system, lighting the PowerLee system. Basically, PowerLee system more advanced lighting this simple version. This is my actually lead I created, Paul Fan. That's my PS opportunity campaign 40 message. If I choose that and I click the save change, and they was in that day they were starting to send the 14 message by PowerLee system, and one after one the other day. So that's how it works. But there's a better way actually to create email system, which is using email and choose email and add campaign or send campaign if you already have one. If you don't have one, to add the campaign. So say, for example, I want to add campaign the promoting. I would say a promote a DA system, for example. And once you create a campaign, then you can actually set up the all the different functions over there. You can see here. Let me choose a campaign to copy, or I like to create my own campaign. If you choose a campaign to copy, you only have to do is choose providing the share code of the campaign, and there are lots of them which is already pre-written, and you don't even need a share code if you're promoting the system here over there. You say, for example, you're promoting one of the system, and then you choose that, and this is actually a campaign, and you'll be able to just add this one to the promoting the DA system. So we just have a campaign right now. So once you have a campaign, you can go to to view edit campaign or this page, and basically it will allow you to do following things. You can actually edit the view here, and that's actually very common because sometimes you want to put your own words in your campaign, and you can actually also do some administrative function to rename this campaign name, everything. Let's just choose a view and edit, and you can modify it, and once you make the change you can click save. Alright, the only thing, the challenge is you sometimes see the code, which is the percentage sign. Those are the parameter because you have the subscriber first name, last name, the product, everything, and the parameter is actually can be configured here in this part. Say for example you have a link here you want to actually send. Say this position you want to actually promote one of your page. So all you have to do is you can type, say okay, I want to promote a page, and then click here for UTS, right? So for example, and all you have to do is just click add, then your link will display here. After, if you like it, you can just save the change, and once you save the change, just go back here, and then you'll be able to do more modification if you want to. And the place for email, you can send the campaign. Once you send campaign, you can actually choose which the customer, the group you want to send. All you can see all the different people in a different website, different purpose, and which campaign to send. You can choose the one you choose like, and you can send only to certain people on certain group, and you can click the send, and you can choose the date. So that's pretty much about the email function in PowerLead system. And by the way, PowerLead system, the most powerful system is the landing page and sales page, landing page building function. And this system, the rest of the delete, the email forwarding, the Gmail direct send, and they all very straightforward. You can go around this video to be sure just overall and give you the idea. And of course, if you want to send an email to make it like it's from Gmail account, not from this website, because this website is gonna actually show you as a priceless as a page. You can see that you can use in Gmail instead of, because every email sent to this site they have a like watermark priceless possibility. So you can actually configure your new email account to send all the email. It just will be looks like it's just sent from the Gmail. It is a great function, like it. You can also recording the voice message and embed into your email. You can also see all the statistics about the email you send, provide a date, and it will show you that. But again, this system is good in that certain point, but once you scale up, it maybe take about a couple months. It depends on how motivate you want to make the system work. If you want to make it go very quickly, you could have 1,000 subscribers in just a couple weeks if you really want to do that. But most people probably have 1,000 subscribers for a while, so you can use the system. Once you scale up, you have more subscribers, I recommend use a different system, and I will show you in a different video. Thank you so much. You have a very blessed day. God bless. It's Peng Fei. Thank you. Have a good. Bye bye.